construction industry is benefited specifically, or the country is benefited as a whole? What are the latest tools and trends which are used in construction industry? Then drone application, building information modeling, then safety in construction, e-homes, augmented reality, holographic headlines, virtual reality, construction exoskeleton, robotics, big data analytics, etc., etc. With the conclusion. Is my slide changing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, okay. So all of us know that the population dynamics, how it is changing. It's changing very fast, with 50% of the world's population lives in urban area. It is expected that by 2050, almost 68% of the total population will be residing in urban areas. So world's urban populations are expected to be highly concentrated in just a few countries. This is happening because in most of the countries, development is stagnated, and there is always growth for countries like India, China, and Nigeria, where it is a developing country, fast developing country, and the concentration is in those countries, which may account for around 35% of the projected growth. By 2050, it is projected that India will have added 416 million urban dwellers. So the advantages are very clear. It is when there is growth, there is a fast increasing income, then urbanization, economic growth, then e-commercial growth, demand, and hence it is going to provide opportunities for investments. So obviously, these growing requirements of space and sectors such as education and healthcare and e-commerce, logistics are the most attractive opportunities, and accordingly, foreign development investors are encouraged, and it is global tendering. Everyone can participate in the tender across the globe, not just across the country. So what is going to happen? It is required that all will be participating in the tendering process, hence movement of or the allotment of project for anybody in any of the countries is possible. So thereby there will be increase in the interest, and you can see here the trend of growth in urban area from 1950 to 2000, now say 2020. Here we are here now, and 2050 going to reach this urban population is going to increase. You can just compare the rural population to see population dynamics will be increasing day by day. However, in the total growth of the population, the rural population is gradually shifting to urban population. So overall, there will be importance of economics growth. The second highest budget is for infrastructure development in our country. So what is going to happen when when trend pattern is increasing like this, changing day by day, surging towards the growth, then there will be, when the tax revenue is high, government will be able to invest it in public sector as well as private sector. Hence the productivity improves, production capacity improves, thereby employment opportunity increases, and overall growth in the economic will be there, which further improves the higher tax in the form of revenue. So this cycle repeats in the fast in the developing countries. So to cater to the requirement of huge infrastructure and residential buildings and commercial buildings, massive challenge is there in how we build and manage the cities, but also in significant opportunity to improve the lives of billion people. I told you in the beginning, ultimately everybody will look for the comfortable living and comfort in commuting also. So there should be a rapid change in the way the constructions are managed, transforming from existing mode of operation to the new heights using fast growing technological solution. So the latest technologies that are a part of construction industry in near future will influence the working style and work culture of civil engineering industry. Information and knowledge of high-level technologies that are going to drive the growth of developing and developed nations allow the bottom of process of modernization in the city planning. I think the best example is now Kashi, Uttar Pradesh, where the particular area is taken, and it was every one of us know how it was before. Now from local level, the planning, everything is made at the institution level, and then now it is going to cater to the requirement of tourism. So the trend is totally changed. So this kind of development is called as model of urban development based on bottom of activities. That means existing city has to get uplifted to the requirement of present trend. That is where 100 cities are identified for as smart cities across India, with the intention of changing the life of the people. So which are the technology that are the part of construction industries now? It may be artificial intelligence, it may be augmented reality, that is virtual reality, and augmented reality and virtual reality together is called as mixed reality. It may be robotics, construction exoskeleton, Internet of Things, cloud computing, LIDARs, mobile apps, holographic headsets, then big data analytics, thermal imaging, and engineering, living materials. I think each of the technology I am going to discuss in brief. So, cloud-enabled technology and mobile-friendly technology is required for the next generation with the help of software that will help the contractor to realize two important things. See, in the days when I completed degree, one has to carry the drawing sheet in the suitcase to the, suppose if I am a part of a project in Delhi, I had to carry it. Maybe the computerization was just started, but now it is not so. Of course, after COVID-19 pandemic situation, we have moved still further, where many things are happening in a most fast manner with the help of computer application. So more streamlined and timely flow of information between the office and job site uh, through net, and the delivery of more powerful information tools into hands of the folks who need them in the field. This is said none other than by Dexter and Chanley, President of CEO of Northos. Slide. I'll just, okay. Just hold on. Okay, so slide is changing bit slow. Hope it's getting changed there and reflected.
We are saying artificial intelligence is slide itself.
Yeah, okay. So, what is the use of artificial intelligence in construction? Revolution of construction industry through AI, that is artificial intelligence, with a growing number of new construction application is set to benefit two distinct ways. That is pre-construction stage, during the construction stage, as well as post-construction stage. The cloud consists of storage and computing resources that your device, smartphone, and tablets and PC can only access via network connection, Wi-Fi services. These things are required. See, I think the day may come where the robot will be reading the drawing and instructing the site engineers to do the work. I think if I go to slide mode, not the, it's changing bit slow, right?
Still the previous slide
Yeah,
itself. There's, there's no change in the slide.
it's not changing. Just I think if I present in the
Madam, video.
yeah.
Generally, if the net is slow, then it will take time to change the slide. It's better you
I'll do
can
one.
keep your
Yeah,
video off so that.
what I'll do is, yeah, what I'll do is I'll connect it to alternate network. Just hold on, okay?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.